Hi everyone, my name is Liz Vong and I'm currently a third-year pharmacy student at the University of Arizona College of Pharmacy.
And my name is Jana Sawyer, and I am currently a fourth-year student at the University of Arizona College of Pharmacy. And we're just going to take a few minutes today to talk about our experience, mostly through our pre-pharmacy pathways.
So I attended college here at the University of Arizona. I completed a Bachelor of Science in Molecular and Cellular Biology with a minor in Psychology.
And I also went to the University of Arizona for my undergraduate degree, and I completed my Bachelor's of Science in Molecular and Cellular Biology as well.
I think what makes us unique with our pre-pharmacy track is that we both actually graduated early, even with completing all of our prerequisites for the University of Arizona College of Pharmacy. So I graduated in 7 semesters.
And I took 6 semesters to graduate with my degree. I liked the flexibility of the MCB, or Molecular and Cellular Biology program. There was a lot of opportunity to take classes over the summer or online, and then even to do lab-related classes in person during the semester rather than in person in a lab outside of a classroom.
Mm-hmm. Jana, do you want to go over the Pharmd prereq courses that we had to take, or that we did take?
Right. So we did both take these 17 specific prereqs. There are 9 that are science related and 8 that are not science related. So the science related ones are 2 semesters of general chemistry, 2 semesters of organic chemistry, 2 semesters of anatomy and physiology, 1 semester of general biology, 1 of microbiology, and 1 of physics. Those are all the science requirements. And the non-science ones are 2 semesters of English composition, 1 semester of calculus, 1 semester of statistics, and then the rest of these are your elective type classes in your undergraduate. So 2 semesters of social sciences, 1 of traditions and cultures, 1 of fine arts or literature, and 1 class that has a diversity emphasis. And those are all the Pharmd prereqs.
Yeah, and I think it's really unique here at the college that we have those prereqs because I think they're so diverse and very applicable to many degrees, even if you do decide that Pharmd might not be for you. Personally, for me, I think they provided a great foundation for the knowledge that we would need in pharmacy school, and they're very applicable in all areas of study as well. So completing those courses, of course, is important, but also excelling in them and successfully completing them are as well. So to apply to the University of Arizona College of Pharmacy, your GPA, there are some GPA requirements, including a science GPA of a minimum of 2.5 or higher, a cumulative prerequisite GPA of minimum 2.5 or higher, as well as a minimum grade of C in all prereq courses, with grades of B or higher that are strongly preferred. These courses are challenging, but I definitely think they're doable, as we both have went through them, and they're really important. As for other admissions requirements, you are required to successfully complete those 17 specific prereq courses that Jana had mentioned. We also require healthcare experience of a minimum of 40 hours, as well as community service involvement of a minimum of 40 hours, and PCAT exam scores, as well as letter of recommendations. And those are all listed online if you'd like further information.
And all of these requirements are very intentional with just helping you to be the most prepared you can to enter the Pharmd program. So a lot of students are a little bit nervous or are not quite sure how to complete 40 hours in a pharmacy setting or in healthcare at all. And those can either be done working or volunteering or shadowing. There's a lot of free range with what you decide to do for those 40 hours. So for example, I volunteered and shadowed a pharmacist at a healthcare home care pharmacy in Phoenix.
And as for me, I obtained my pharmacy technician trainee license and volunteered at an independent pharmacy. And then I established a close relationship with my pharmacist, which then I was able to work as a pharmacy technician trainee. And then upon entering the program, I was, I guess you'd say, promoted to pharmacy intern, which comes with being a pharmacy student in the program.
Exactly. So kind of moving on now to our experience in the College of Pharmacy, something that makes us kind of unique is that we have a dual campus. So there's a cohort of students in Tucson, Arizona, and there's also a cohort of students in Phoenix, Arizona. And you're the same class, you take all the same classes, you're just in different physical locations. So we do rely a lot on technology to help us make that a great experience. So for me, being at the Tucson campus, I love it. And just from speaking with my colleagues and classmates in Phoenix, they love being in Phoenix too. So it just depends on what you're looking for, but there's two different options and they're both great.
Yeah, and kind of going off what Jana said, the technology is amazing. Most of our lectures are all recorded for further reference. And in the classroom, we have microphones that you can press, and there's a little camera that will zoom in. That way you see your classmates, so it's not just some voice that's being broadcasted, which is super great. And like she had mentioned, we all see our classmates. They're very small cohorts. You will see them for 3 to 4 years at the college, and we build really great relationships with them, as well as faculty and advisors as well. Everyone is always super helpful and supportive. There's probably an advisor or a faculty member that's interested in any field of pharmacy that you may be interested in, and they're always willing to help.
Definitely, I can attest to that. That's something that I love about our college too, is that all of the staff and faculty, professors, they're all really willing to help you because they actually want you to succeed. And so I love that that's so evident with our school. Also, we have about 19 to 20 different student organizations that you can be involved in, and that comes with various opportunities for leadership development in the form of president of a club or secretary of a club or various other things. We have a club for everyone, so there's a club focused on pediatric pharmacy, community pharmacy, also known as retail pharmacy, hospital pharmacy, geriatric pharmacy, industry pharmacy. There really is something for everyone. We also have 3 co-ed professional fraternities, and those are a lot of fun as well.
Yeah, I think our experience at the college has been great. And on top of those extracurriculars, there's also school-wide health fairs that we pride here at the University of Arizona. We're all trained in testing for blood glucose levels and high blood pressures. And we go out into the community and actually participate and give back to our community while also practicing for our profession. So it's really great that we're able to do that.
It's really nice to have that real world experience because that's a real patient in front of you, and also they're benefiting from it as well. They may be more of an underserved population that doesn't have access to these kinds of screenings regularly, and so it feels nice that you can provide them benefit as well as yourself benefiting from the situation as well.
So overall, I think I like to say it's been a challenging but very rewarding experience, both preparing for pharmacy school and entering pharmacy school. And I think Jenna can definitely agree to that.
Definitely do.
Well, we hope to see you guys soon. If there's any questions, please refer back to our College of Pharmacy page. And it was great talking about our experience today.
Thanks for listening. Bye.